Well, here's what I think. My high school coach, I was blessed to have a really good high school coach, and the thing that stands out to me to this day is how much he cared about us. Not so much what I learned from him baseball-wise, but just the pure fact that he cared about us. And when you look at a kid, a young kid, the impression that we make as coaches needs to be that we care about them, that we care about their development, and that the relationships that we're developing with young men and young women at the youth level and developing them as players and as people needs to be the priority. That's what's going to resonate with those kids moving forward. Just winning at all costs is not going to resonate with a young man. It's not going to resonate with my guys at this level. If all we care about is winning, and that's it, and we're going to use our players just to win and not develop sound relationships with them and not work on developing them as people and as players, they're not going to walk away from their experience at Clemson feeling like, you know what, I got the most out of my opportunity when I was at Clemson, and I deeply care about that program and have a tremendous amount of gratitude for my time there and the coaches there. So to me, winning is a byproduct of developing relationships with kids and developing them as players and as people. And I think if we have coaches out there that are going to take the most talented kid when he's 10 years old and pitch him a little bit on a Friday, bring him back and pitch him on a Sunday because you got pitch count rules just to win tournaments, then shame on them for doing that because you don't care about that kid. Your only thing you care about is trying to win. And if your major accomplishment in life is winning a 10U tournament because you abused a young man and his arm to do so, then that's pretty sad. I think it's really, really important as coaches that who we are matters more than what we do. And that's one thing that I don't care so much. I don't even know who wins the tournaments that we go watch in the summer. A lot of times I can't even tell you who wins the game, but I can tell you who plays winning baseball, in which coaches care about their kids when it comes to trying to develop them. And those are the coaches that I'm going to lean on when it comes to asking about kids, the ones that care about the kids and care about developing them over winning. You win a state championship in high school baseball. Winning a state championship is a big deal. It should be more important than winning a tournament in the summer. It really should. Winning an ACC, SEC, SoCon, CAA championship, that matters to a young man in his life. So to me, the priority at a young age should be developing these kids and developing relationships with them that they can take for the rest of their life, making an impact on them as people and not caring so much about winning at all costs.